The city that never sleeps and one of the fastest-paced cities in the world are just two of the many nicknames for New York City. Whatever name it goes by, one thing is for certain: there are countless different ways to live there. New York is a city of class and luxury. The real estate industry continues to construct luxurious penthouse residences for the very wealthy, even though many individuals find living expenses to be too high. And it is true that having a penthouse in New York City is a statement of exceptional wealth and supreme status. In today's video, we'll talk about the top 10 most expensive penthouse apartments in NYC in 2022, kicking off with number 10, 165 Charles Street Penthouse. The penthouse provides breathtaking Hudson River sights. It is a superb illustration of what it means to reside in an area rich in modern beauty. Internationally recognized and award-winning architect Richard Meyer created the Chic 165 Charles Street Penthouse. He made sure that every element of the penthouse was meticulously planned, resulting in a house that is regarded as a masterpiece. The level of craftsmanship, breathtaking view of the majestic Statue of Liberty, One World Trade Center and the Empire State Building, and an abundance of natural light only speak of luxury. The penthouse includes wall glasses instead of walls, so that guests can take in these breathtaking surroundings. A private deck that can be accessed from several locations completes this luxurious living area. The penthouse is reportedly being sold for $53 million. You will experience luxurious living in a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom, gorgeous space after spending this sum. The home's 3 principal bedrooms include a marble spa bathroom, and guess what? The daughter of Martha Stewart, Alexis Stewart, once resided in this penthouse. Number 9. Baccarat Penthouse. For hundreds of years, Baccarat has been renowned for creating exquisite crystal glassware, including perfume bottles, flower vases, barware and candelabras. The 48th floor of the Baccarat Hotel and Residences is home to a magnificent duplex penthouse. It is a 5-bedroom estate with a floating staircase and stylish glass. You could never get bored in a place with a ceiling height of around 14 feet and a floor area of around 7,400 square feet. The penthouse's glass wall offers panoramic views of the Empire State, George Washington Bridge and Chrysler buildings to its residents. It also boasts 550 square feet for extra vistas. The building was created by architect Tony Ingrao, and every internal feature was carefully considered. There is a living area, a dining area and a kitchen with Sub-Zero, a seismatic and wine cooler. Everything you need for a lavish lifestyle is in the master bedroom, including 2 dressing rooms and a separate sitting area. Number 8. 50 United Nations Plaza Penthouse. Some of the most influential dignitaries reside in 50 United Nations Plaza. The crown jewel of this plaza is Penthouse 42. The 2 top stories of the structure house the penthouse, which is more than 10,000 square feet in size. Amazing scenery and stunning views may be found at the summit of the structure. Award-winning architects Foster & Partners created the penthouse. A duplex penthouse with a large indoor living area and exceptional outdoor spaces was expertly designed by the architects. The living room, dining room and entertainment area, which is roughly 75 square feet, are all included in the large space. A 2-story glass wall inside the penthouse offers panoramic views of the Manhattan skyline that you can use to go from one story to another if you prefer not to use stairs. The 2 floors are connected by a floating staircase otherwise. Additionally, stainless steel is used to construct the staircase. Tired after a long meeting with your stakeholders? You can unwind in their 30-foot outdoor pool with a pool deck and feel the real touch of relaxation. Number 7. 172 Madison Avenue Penthouse. It's time to move into this penthouse if you want to live in luxury. The ultimate dream at 172 Madison Avenue, which is located between the 18th and 23rd floors, offers breathtaking views of New York City. The penthouse features an outside patio and 5 stories with more than 3,500 square feet. People can unwind in the jacuzzi and swimming pool on a private roof terrace at the top of the building. Over 19,000 square feet of indoor space and 4,500 square feet of outdoor space make up the penthouse. Everything you could possibly want and even more is in the penthouse. You can experience the epitome of modern living here. A full crew is available to meet your needs. There are 5 bedrooms, 14 bathrooms and multiple fireplaces throughout the penthouse's spacious interior to keep you warm, especially during the winter. A gorgeous spacious lobby and a full-time doorkeeper are additional highlights. Before we continue, we'd like to ask for a few moments of your time. If you want to support channel name, please leave a like and click on the subscribe button. This would help us create more engaging content for you. Now, moving back to where we left off. Number 6. The Dome Penthouse. At the Plaza Hotel in New York, there is a famous penthouse called the Dome Penthouse. It is housed in a structure that was built in 1907, but refurbished in 2022. The 18th and 19th floors are where you'll find the penthouse. These floors offer breathtaking views of Fifth Avenue and Central Park. It's a lavish house with a high standard of living. The house has 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms, all with excellent finishing. Additionally, they enjoy a gourmet kitchen and a separate private balcony. Amazing views of the Big Apple may be had from the private patio. Residents of this penthouse can benefit from a valet, Todd English room service, and a maid who is available when needed. With a price tag of $80 million, the Dome Penthouse is one of New York's most expensive penthouses. And don't worry about room, because the penthouse has lovely red carpeted staircases and roughly 5,000 square feet of space. And if that's still not enough, the tea room of this apartment, which features a hand-painted mural of Eloise, is its most fascinating feature. Number 5. City Spire Penthouse. This apartment features a total of 6 bedrooms and an additional 9 marble baths. Due to the fact that it takes up the full penthouse floor, the main bedroom is unique and probably one of the best features of this. For the average person, the cost can seem extremely excessive, but for a great work of art, billionaires are willing to pay anything. You need to utilize a private elevator to go to the penthouse, and when you arrive at the property, you will notice a stunning entrance with lovely French architecture. It is one of the most expensive properties being sold in New York City and has an area of 8,000 square feet. The penthouse stands out thanks to its distinctive octagon shape. According to a New York Times article, the penthouse was put up for sale in 2012 for $100 million. Think about how much this would cost in 2022 now. Number 4. 157 Penthouse. It is situated on the 94th level of an 880-foot tower and has amazing views that will make you want to stay in the house all day. The beautiful Penthouse 157 was created by Thomas Yule Hansen. The sights improve at night when you can see New York's incredible nightlife. The 6,200 square foot penthouse has 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. You can see the designer touches all over the property, such as the large expansive windows, lots of natural light and stunning white wood floors. This penthouse exudes class and sophistication in every aspect. Number 3. Ritz Carlton Penthouse. 3 Ritz-Carlton penthouse units were sold as one penthouse in 2014 for a total of $118.5 million. It is now one of the most expensive penthouses in New York City due to its excessive pricing. The Ritz-Carlton's 2 top floors are a fantastic place to call home. The penthouse's interior area is thought to be around 15,000 square feet. The residence also features a 2,193-foot-long patio. 3 different units make up the penthouse. One of the units is thought to belong to Gary Siegel. The 3rd flat is believed to be owned by Randall Yanker, while the 2nd unit is also rumored to be Mr. Siegel's. Number 2. 432 Park Avenue Penthouse. The building announced earlier in 2022 that they were listing for $169 million, making it one of the most ambitious listings since the COVID-19 pandemic's outbreak. More than twice as much as what Fawaz, a Saudi national, paid for the penthouse, was now required to purchase it. The penthouse was sold by Fawaz for $88 million. The annual tax cost for this building is reportedly projected by the Director of Financial Records to be $177,000, subject to confirmation by the real estate agent, according to NY Times. In order to take full advantage of the present demand for luxurious flats in New York, the property decided to double its price. The penthouse's interior is worth every penny, despite the price tag's seeming exaggeration. And number 1. 220 Central Park South. The 220 Central Park South building belongs to billionaire Daniel Ock, who sold it for $190 million in 2022. This sum is roughly twice as much as what he paid for the house in 2019. Although the owner of this lavish and pricey penthouse is undoubtedly enjoying the 4 magnificent bedrooms and 9,800 square feet of space, nobody is quite sure who purchased it. The penthouse may be found in the Robert Stern-designed Billionaire's Row Tower. One of the most sought-after penthouses in New York City is located in the tower. You can also enjoy breathtaking vistas of Manhattan and Central Park from the top. It truly embodies luxury to the fullest extent. Indeed, New York City has a plethora of luxuriousness. What about you? Will you spend much on buying an apartment? Let us know in the comments section down below. If you want more content related to this topic, make sure to check our channel. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.